Right, we have a 2018 Cadillac Escalade. We're doing a starter replacement on it. We got the old one out. So the procedure for this is to disconnect your battery terminal, starting with the negative first, then your positive. Then you want to remove the wheel, or raise the vehicle, remove the wheel, remove this inner fender cover. It's some Torx bits all around it, T10s. Then you got two 7mm. And you don't have to take it all the way off. You can just wrap it around where you have access to where the starter would sit. Right there, that silver part with the hole, that's the dust shield. It has one 10mm bolt that actually bolts into the starter. That's the only one you need to remove. You don't have to take the actual whole dust shield off itself. You just got to take the 10mm that attaches the dust shield to the starter off. Then you got one 13mm power bolt here holding the power cable. Then you got the clip connection for your starter solenoid there. And then on the bottom of the starter, you got two long 13mm bolts. Once you remove the two 13 bolts, starter will drop out and you can work the starter out and reverse the process to get the starter in. Starter replacement is done. Crank right up.